In this video, I'm going to show you how to mute everyone on Google Meet. If you're in a Google Meet meeting and you want to mute any participant or all members in the group, maybe because of audio feedback or any other reason, here's how you can do it. So what you want to do while in the meeting as an admin, you want to come to the padlock section here. You want to click on this and you see the option for host management. If this isn't turned on, you can go ahead and toggle it on. Once it is toggled on, you can come to the member section here. You find all the contributors in the meeting and you also find the option to mute all members. Now when you click on mute all, on the member's device they will be notified that you have muted them, and you have the option to let contributors turn on their microphone. With this turned on, a member can easily turn back on their microphone when they click on the microphone, and this will restore the member's audio. If you do not want this option, you can simply toggle this off, and once it is off, a member will not be able to turn on their microphone. You can also manage each member's microphone in this section by clicking on the microphone option here to turn it on and off. To restore audio, you can always tap on all muted. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.